Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's sinking funds time. I'm going to cash stuff some sinking funds today, and I usually do that with a dice. I have, let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 pounds. And this is all from Rollover from last week's savings challenges. I'm gonna get a dice, and I think I will take a red one today. It's a bit chilly in London, so I've got my fleece on. It's just gone chilly all of a sudden, but today was really nice. For my new subscribers, what I do with my sinking funds, I have 6 categories, and that consists of going out, hobbies, labour, well-being, hair and spending. And what I do is roll the dice, and whatever number it falls on, then I stuff. I'm going to take this out so it makes it a lot more easier to do the business. Okay, we ready? Let's see. I'm just thinking what envelope needs some love. I think spending does. 5. Number 5 is hair. So let's go to hair and put £5 in. I'll leave that open. Let's go again. How have you all been? I hope well. I've got dentist again on Friday. I think that's the last of the treatment for now. 1 going out. So let's have a look. Going out. Get a £5. Yeah, so as I was saying, I think it's my last treatment until further notice, which I'm happy about. 4, we've got well-being. See where well-being is. So I hope you all been well, getting some well-earned rest and some peace in your life. 3, let's see what 3 is. Labour for the workmen. I want to get a new set of lights in my garden, so I think I'm working towards that now, because I've been putting up my own little shelves and stuff in my craft room, so I don't really need anyone to do that for me. 3 again, labour. So the light fitting might be a little bit pricey, but it's got to be done. I've got to get a qualified electrician to do that. And let's go again. 1 going out. I think last week going out got some good loving. There we have it. 6, that's spending. Oh, just as I was mentioning spending, I think spending does need a little bit of loving, but I did take money out of it to spend, so I'm okay with that. 5, that's hair. Okay, I'm having my hair done on Sunday. I'm off to my my retreat on Monday for a few days, so my hair's gonna look all nice and new brand. 4, so we've got well-being again. All right. And we have one more. 2 hobbies. It's okay. I think hobbies did get some Good loving last week as well. Okay, so let's see what we have. It's exciting, really is exciting. Depending on how much we have, I might stop stuffing some of the envelopes, just depending. But this is an ongoing sinking funds binder anyway, with all the envelopes. They're ongoing. I'm putting in, I'm taking out, so you know, it may not be a case where I can just stop. I have to reach a certain amount before I feel comfortable to give it a break for a little while and maybe put the money somewhere else, or whatever is rolled over from my savings challenges, then I can put it back into the savings challenges. So in Labour we have now, I'm gonna have to mark that off. Labour now has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Not bad. 45, and I'll just mark that off. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40. Did I say 45 in there? Let's just have a quick look.
Yes, I did say 145.
So we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So I've got to mark off 2. This happened to me last week as well. Don't know what happened there. So we're up to date now. 145 is there now. I might even use some of this money for spending at my retreat, because, you know, if I go into town and I see any charity shops, I'm definitely going to want to go in there and have a look around, and I might find some goodies, who knows. Spending now has 5, 10, 15, 20. Hair has 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. That's a good amount. I don't need any henna for now, and I just give my daughter petrol money because she doesn't take any money for doing my hair. Bless her. Going out now has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Another good amount to go for a nice long walk with a girly friend and stop for coffee or something. And hobbies now has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Again, another good one. Well-being now has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Great. I think I'll stop well-being now. I don't need anything. I did grab some stuff the other day, but I don't need anything. I've got face masks and everything. Yeah, everything. I love this binder because I come in here to get all the fivers when I need them because it's packed with fivers. So I do like this binder. I always run to it for change. So that's it for another week. I'm really happy with that. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I'll see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.